If you're building a new kitchen or renovating an old one, you need to watch this because this is where most people get it wrong. Everything looks good in the beginning, but once you start using it every day, you end up complaining about the same things: cluttered counters, hard to reach cabinets, and that constant feeling of not having enough space. But here's the thing, it's not about the size of your kitchen. It's actually the small things inside that are usually missed. And these 10 must haves are what actually make your kitchen work better. Trust me, this will completely change how your kitchen looks and functions. And no, this is not about expensive upgrades. The best part, they're actually so affordable and budget friendly. Let's start with something almost everyone struggles with: the top cabinets. They look great, but they are never easy to reach. A pull down changes this instantly. Everything comes to you easily. It's smooth, effortless, and there's no stretching, no climbing. If your counters are always wet, you'll relate to this. Water dripping, spreading everywhere, and making the entire countertop feel messy. A simple drip tray inside the cabinet is the solution. It catches all the excess water, so everything stays contained, and your counters stay clean without any extra effort. You know how? Once you start cooking, the counter just starts filling up. Peels, plates, little bits here and there. It gets messy before you even realize it. That's where under counter bins make all the difference. You can separate wet and dry waste. Everything goes straight in. Contactless and super convenient. And your counter actually stays clear while you work. And now it starts getting even more useful. If you love cooking, you know how often you are reaching for masalas. This pull-out makes it so much easier. Everything is visible and easy to reach. Plus, the removable trays make it super convenient to use and clean. Small appliances always end up crowding the countertop, no matter how much space you have. A rolling shutter fixes that so neatly. You can tuck everything inside with built-in plug points to keep them ready to use anytime. And your kitchen still looks clean and clutter-free. If you love easy home upgrades like this, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Now, if you love your snacks or those late night munches, use this organisers. You can see everything as soon as you open the drawer. And it all slides back in just as smoothly, keeping everything neat. For bigger items like cereals or grains, these tall containers fit in perfectly and keep things nicely organized. I've linked these organizers and many more useful, affordable options in the description in case you want to check them out. They are super practical and really easy to add to your kitchen. Everything in this pullout is easy to reach from top to bottom. You can even have sleek pullouts. They hold so many essentials without taking up extra space. Now we are moving into the really everyday essentials. Cutlery is something we use every single day, so keeping it organized just makes life easier. And the best part, you can customize it, make it easy to clean and adjust whenever you need. And grains are something you're using almost every day, so keeping them inside a pullout just makes it easier. Everything is in one place, easy to reach, and you don't have to deal with heavy containers every single time. See how common this is, storing vegetables in plastic. Instead, you can switch to wicker baskets with proper ventilation. Or go for metal mesh drawers with dividers for easy access. Or even vacuum cabinets. With these solutions, everything stays sorted and lasts longer. Now this is extremely useful, a tall pantry. Even if you have a small or compact kitchen, you can store everything in one place, neatly organized and super easy to access. You can see exactly what you have and pick what you need without any confusion. And if you have this space, you can even go for a larger pantry like this, where you can stock everything in one place. It holds so much, stays neatly organized, and everything is easy to find. Or you can even go for a tall pantry with pull-out shelves. Everything comes out towards you. So nothing is hidden at the back, and you don't have to reach or move things around. It just makes the whole space feel a lot more organized and super easy to use. Share this with someone who's always complaining about having a small kitchen. Now, if you want links to these organizers, just comment kitchen and I'll share all the affordable options. I've also linked them in the description and in the community post for you to check out. I share simple and practical home ideas like this every day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And stay tuned for the latest in design and innovation.